Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Earn to Die Rogue game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Earn to Die Rogue game on your device. And if you're playing for the first time, you will directly be taken into the first level. If you are already playing a match, make sure to come back into the main menu. And from here, you can tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Here you will find various different settings. If you wish to change your language, you will need to tap on the language icon or the language button. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now show you all of the languages that are available within the game. In order to make your change, just tap on your preferred language, and this will apply your language right away. You can close this menu and now start enjoying the game with your chosen language. If you wish to switch this at any point of time in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Tap on the gear icon from the main menu, and then tap on the language icon to choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-app language on the Earn to Die Rogue game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.